Hi guys, really quick video today. I think this is the HomePod Mini from Apple. Oh yeah, it looks like it is. Nice. Oh yeah, that's the one. Alright guys, so that's the box for the HomePod Mini. Fantastic. Really can't wait to set this up and do a longer video on the unboxing itself. Let's go ahead and open it anyway. So satisfying. There you go. That's the baby. Look at that. Feels really good. Nice weight to it. Let's remove that. Yeah. Cool. Can't wait to do more on this. I'm gonna test it out with the Alexa stuff that I've got at home as well. Compare and contrast. Looking forward to that.